तो चलें हम आज का सबक शुरू करें। आज का सबक है मुसहफ़ उस्मान इब्न अफ़्फ़ान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु, और इसके लिखने वाले हैं, इस रिसाले के लिखने वाले हैं इब्न तुफ़ैल अल-अंदलुसी। ओके, तो पहले चलें हम इस रिसाले की जो बैकग्राउंड है, खल्फिया है, पस मंज़र, उसके बारे में हल्की जानकारी हासिल कर लेते हैं। ओके, कतबतु तख़लीदन लिहादिसतिन अज़ीमतिन हिय दुख़ूलुल मुस्हफ़िल उस्मानी इलल मग़रिबि फ़ी बिदायति अहदिल मुवह्हिदीन फ़ी सनति इस्नतैन व ख़म्सीन व ख़म्समिया फ़ी अय्यामि अमीरिहिम अब्दिल मुअम्मिन बिन अली तूफ़िया समानी व ख़म्सीन व ख़म्समिया अल हिजरा वक़द इहतफ़ौ बिही इहतिफ़ाअन मुनक़तिअन नज़ीर। ओके, इसके अंदर कहते हैं कि कातिब ने इस रिसाला को लिखा है ताकि जो बहुत ही बड़ा हादसा वाक़या रोनुमा हुआ था, ओके, ग्रेट इंसिडेंट जो वाक़या हुआ था, उस वाक़े को हमेशा हमेशा महफूज रखने के लिए दिस रिसाला इज़ रिटन। ओके, एंड दैट रिसाला एंड दैट ग्रेट इंसिडेंट इज़ दैट मुसहफ़ उस्मानी कुरान शरीफ, कुरान मजीद, कुरान करीम entered into West in the era of Muwahhidin Muslimin. Okay, in 552 Hijra. So those Western Muslims accepted that Quran, and they became, and because of that acceptance, their heart became raqiq, their heart became smooth. Because of smooth, and such smoothness is not found anywhere. Okay, munqatun nadir, it was munqatun nadir. Yuhawil katibu an yasifa ba'dan minhu mustakhdiman kulla bara'atihi fi an-nathri wan-nazm hatta yati al-hadasa ma yastahiquhu min at-ta'zim. Okay, the writer is trying to explain and to express some of those incidents, and he using his all writing skills by writing skills of poem and prose, and he will try to explain all incidents as it should be explained. कातिबु रिसालती हुवल वज़ीर अबू बहर मुहम्मद इब्न अब्दुल मलिक बिन तुफ़ैल अल फ़ैलसूफ़ अल मशहूर साहिबु रिसाला हय्य बिन यक़लान तूफ़िया बिमराकश सनता वाहिद व समानीन व ख़म्समिया अल हिजरा व हुवा शाइरुन व नासिरुन व आलिमुन कबीरुन व मिम्मन तअस्सरौ बिअक़वालिल फ़लासिफ़ा। ओके, कहते हैं इसमें कि राइटर ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल is Minister Abu Bakr Muhammad bin Abdul Malik bin Tufail, who was famous philosopher, and who was author of this book Hayy bin Yaqlan, who was passed away in Marrakesh in 581 Hijra, and he was a great poet and a prose writer, a scholar, and one of them from whom people are getting affected, influenced. People are becoming influenced. And next, Ibn Tufail. He was born in 494 and passed away in 581 Al-Hijra. And according to Christian era, he was born in 1100 and passed away in 1185. Muhammad bin Abdul Malik bin Muhammad bin Tufail al-Qaisi al-Andalusi Abu Bakr, फ़ैलसूफ़ वुलिद फ़ी वादी आश गोडिक्स व तअल्लम तिब्ब फ़ी गरनाता व ख़दम हाकिमहा सुम्मा अस्बह तबीबन लिसुल्तान अबी याक़ूब यूसुफ़ मिनल मुवह्हिदीन सनत 58 व 50 व 500 अल हिजरा واستمر إلى أن توفي بمراكش وحضر السلطان جنازته. محمد بن عبد الملك بن محمد ibn Tufail al-Qaisi al-Andalusi, whose kunyat is Abu Bakr and Abu Bakr, who was philosopher, was born in Godex Valley. Okay, and he gained knowledge about medicine in the city of Granada, and then he served his ruler of that place, that city, Granada, and then he became chief doctor of Sultan, means Tabib Sultan Abi Yaqub Yusuf min al Muwahhidin, means Muslim ruler Abi Yaqub Yusuf, and he was doctor of King Abu Yaqub Yusuf till his last breath, and he was passed away he took his last breath in Marrakesh, and the king Abu Yaqub Yusuf appeared in his last ceremony, means burial ceremony. وهو صاحب القصة الفلسفية حي بن يقظان طبيعة, means مطبوع. Okay, he was the one who had stories of philosophy, means he was telling philosophy story. قال المراكشي في المعجب, Marakashi said in wonderly said, means amazingly said, رأيت له تصانيف في أنواع الفلسفة من الطبيعيات والإلهيات وغير ذلك. He said, surprising, I have seen that he had many authorization of philosophical writings in nature, in God, and etc. ورأيت بخطه رسالة له في النفس, and I have seen that he has written about himself, means autobiography. وكان أمير المؤمنين أبو يعقوب شديد الشغف به والحب له, يقيم عنده ابن الطفيل أياما ليلا ونهارا لا يظهر. Okay, Amir al-Mu'min Abu Yaqub Yusuf was loving him more and more. Ibn Tufail was going to meet him, and he was staying in his palace till days, and he was not coming out of that palace. وله جزر في الطب خط. Okay, مخطوط means not printed, but that is in handwritten manuscript. وله رجز في الطب في أكثر من 707,000 بيت, means it is a poem book in which there are 7,700 poetries. رأيته في خزانة القربيين بفاس, which I have looked in, means this book I have looked into the library, Qurbiyin library, okay, in the city of Fas, which number is 3,158. Okay, walahu sha'r jayyidun, and he has unique poetry. أورد المراكشي نماذج منه, from which Marakashi has explained, has point out. وكانت بينه وبين ابن الرشد الفيلسوف مراجعات ومباحث, means both of them, Ibn Rushd and Ibn Tufail, both of them were they're exchanging their knowledge, means communicating about falsafa, about poetry. Mubahasa fi rasmi dawai means both of them, Ibn Rushd and Ibn Tufail, were speaking each other, communicating each other, and exchanging their knowledge about medicine. Jamaha Ibn Rushd fi kitab, okay, which Ibn Rushd has explained in his book.